Students, in this program we are going to be receiving input from the user and we would perform basic mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for that we start off with the include stream. So it should be IO stream. And then we will have to say using name space std. After that we need to have a main function, and then we need to have two numbers. So int number 1, you need to have a separator, and then number 2. So two numbers are actually declared here. So I will ask the user to give me the numbers. Please enter the first number. So the first number would be entered, and probably what I can do, I want to give a break there. So that would ensure that the break is present. I will just copy this off because I wouldn't have to again use this. So I'm going to use cin. The angle parentheses, they get reversed. So I need to get the number 1. So the number 1 is got. Now I'm going to ask for the second number from the user, and then cin number 2. Right, so we have received two numbers. Now if you want, you can print them out. Okay, so see out, the first number is equal to, you can put the first number there, and for that we will have to display it in that fashion, first number, and probably we can give a line break. So this would be the first number entered, and I would also want to give the second number onto the user. So the user is aware what number he or she has entered. So we can just give a return statement, return 0, and check how the program is working. So for that we need to save it. Control S, I have already saved it, and then I need to go run and build it. So it says please enter the first number. So the input is received in the second line because of the very fact that I've given a break there. So 21, please enter the second number, 100. The first number is 21, second number is 100. So it is perfectly fine. You can clearly see the output is displayed in a well organized fashion. That is nice. So now it's time for us to get the arithmetical calculations out. So for that I will have to declare a variable. I'm going to say sum, difference and product. Right, so three things I'm going to work out here. So sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2, that's sum, and difference is equal to number 1 minus number 2, that's also fine. Now product is equal to number 1 concatenate the product sign with number number 2. Right, so that looks nice. The only thing is that we will have to get the things printed out. So what I will do, I will just copy this off, and then I will print this. See out the sum of numbers. Sum of numbers is, that's fine. So I need to enter sum here, and I'll copy this, and then I'll say the difference of numbers, and over here the variable difference, and then finally the product of numbers. This is, and over here I need to give the variable product. Okay, so that looks fine. So let me give a line break here just to make reading a little bit more comfortable. So you save it, and then you go to this icon, you build it, and then you run it. So it wants the first number, so I'm going to give 21 first number. The second number, say 15, enter. So the sum should be 36, and simultaneously you know the difference and the product. So let's check with the sum. So it's 36, the difference is 6, that's correct, and the product is 315. I've not performed the float operation. In other words, I've not performed division. I know for sure the outcome is going to be float because the specification is integers. So because of the data type that we have been used as integer, we wouldn't be able to appreciate the exact output. So probably as we move on, we will declare variables in float types, and then we will see how the output is received. So that is the completion for this beautiful program. So this is the program that we have done for performing the 3 operations involved in arithmetic. Thank you.